The latest addition to the Studiomaster line, the Direct 121, is Studiomaster's take on the compact column array system. Compared to competitors, no mount or pull is required. The system comes in three parts: the 12-inch subwoofer, the full frequency sound column, and height adjustment column. For listening while standing, installation of the height adjustment column is strongly recommended. For seated listening, you don't need to install a height adjustment column. Setting up is easy and requires no additional cables or pulls as mentioned earlier. Simply put the sound column in the hole in the subwoofer, then stack the height adjustment column if necessary. That's it, no cables. The dimensions of the subwoofer are 14 inches by 18 inches by 24 inches, weighing in about 50 pounds. Each of the columns are 4 inches by 4 inches by 30 inches and weighing just under 10 pounds. This makes for a very portable system, especially with the built-in mixer. This mixer has two XLR/guitar inputs, one guitar input, one RCA/Bluetooth input, two line links, which are XLR, one mix output, which is XLR. You have the gain levels for each track, line mic switches for the first two channels, a sub-level knob to control the volume of the subwoofer, and the DSP control. The main control is to adjust the volume. By clicking on the DSP control, it brings you to a new menu where you have the ability to do several things. The first is the ability to adjust the 3-band EQ along with the mid-frequency. There are 3 different presets: music, voice, and DJ. Low cut, which allows you the ability to cut low frequencies if you choose to. Delay, where you can choose the distance you seek. Bluetooth, that can enable an input and can also be used for TWS pairing, which allows users to connect two Direct 121s to each other in order to enable stereo status, where the first set of TW sound box is the left channel and the other box is the right channel. LCD dim, where you can choose to put an 8-second timer on the LCD display before it dims. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. Another quick note is that the Direct 121 uses a Class D amp module for low distortion and excellent sound. You get all of this for the lowest price in class. This revolutionary system designed in the UK is truly one of a kind. It's great for receptions, small band performances and conferences, speech reinforcement, and other applications. If you have any questions regarding the Direct 121 or any other Studiomaster products, feel free to reach us at 914-219-4180, US only.